So we just finished our transcode setting. Before we jump in and create our distribution point, let's go down and look at our workflow templates. Remember, workflow templates are separate because they're where we connect all of these different modules together. The ingest point, the transcode, and the distribute point. So we just came out of here, and we're going to go back to the workflow, and we're going to click on Manage Your Workflow Templates. And that's going to bring up, remember I said that it's automatically creating a workflow template when we create our transcode profile, and that's exactly what we see here. So we've got, just like the name of our profile was iTunes Store Setting, we now have a workflow template that has exactly the same name. And if I go over here and click Edit, I can see that it's trying to group it together with a couple of other pieces. Now obviously it's already got the setting that we created assigned to it, but I actually have access to all of my other profiles that I had created. So if, in addition to the iTunes Store setting, if I wanted to add some other encodes at the same time to save time, I could do that as well. So say I wanted just a high-res export output, I could turn that on as well. Or if I wanted to have a denoised clip or something else. So I can add in multiple versions of an archive, of a transcode simultaneously. I don't have to set up each workflow as just one individual one. I can group them together in bundles to save time when I drop files into my work folders. So for now, I'm fine with just having my iTunes version. That's exactly all I need. So I'm going to click back here. And I'm going to go to my distribute, because what I need to do now is create a destination point. I want somewhere where that content is going to go. So for that, I need to make sure that I click on the radio button here next to iTunes folder, because that's the folder that I created for the output. Now, just like I created multiple encodes at the same time, I can do multiple output destinations at the same time. So let's say that in addition to saving a copy locally, I also wanted to have an FTP source. So I could click on my outgoing FTP at the same time and have versions of the files that I'm creating sent to both locations simultaneously. So again, we're just cutting down on the steps we need in order to get the files we need done. For the purposes of this, all I need to do is make sure that I have my iTunes folder version ready. And when I click back to here, now what's important is I can see that, remember, I don't have to worry about prepare for this. All I really need is I need my transcode setting, which, because I've got green all the way across here, I know that that is set. And because this is purple all the way across here, I know that I've set my destination folder. So that's exactly perfect. That's exactly how I want it. What I need to do, though, is make sure that before I leave this window, I hit save. If I don't hit save, it's gonna lose part of those settings and it's not going to remember it. So when I hit save here, I now come back and I can see that my workflow template has been updated and it's ready to go. So the next step is I'm going to assign it to an input folder in the ingest section.